In this video, I will show you step by step how to sign up on HubSpot quickly and easily, even if it is your first time using the platform. First, open the internet browser on your computer or phone and search for HubSpot. Then, go to the official HubSpot website. When the website loads, look for the Get Started Free or Sign Up button, usually found on the homepage. Click this option to begin creating your account. Next, you will need to enter a valid email address. You can use Gmail, Outlook, or any other active email account. After entering your email, click Next and follow the instructions shown on the screen. You may also have the option to sign up faster using your Google, Microsoft, or Apple account. Then, HubSpot may ask for basic information such as your name, company name, or business type. Fill in this information correctly to properly set up your account. After that, create a secure password that includes letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. In some cases, HubSpot may send a verification code to your email to confirm your identity. Enter the code you receive and complete the registration process. Once these steps are finished, your account will be created and you will be able to access the HubSpot dashboard to start using marketing, sales, and customer service tools. And that's it. Now you know how to sign up on HubSpot. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.